I'm gonna get short and get straight to the point today, bro. I don't like these.
Welcome you to Nashville, Music City. It's a chance the Jaguars still have slim playoff opportunities here. But more than that, today they play the bully on the block.
Enough's enough. This team has not won in 9 years. They have been bullied and pushed around and out-physical. And it's time the Jaguars make a statement and say, we are here to contend for the division.
We're going to take you down, Titans. That's what you haven't 10 years in a row. No way. It's a business trip. Let's go, Jags.
So the Titans will start right there, and that means Ryan Tannehill. And that means the great Derrick Henry in the backfield. The give to Derrick Henry runs to the middle of the field. Henry is into the end zone for the touchdown. A 3-yard touchdown run by Derrick Henry. And Tennessee strikes first at Nissan Stadium. Third down upcoming. The Tennessee Titans have converted their only third down so far today. This is a 3rd and 6 from the 28-yard line. Tannehill drops. He's hit from behind and sacked by Trayvon Walker, and the ball came out. Let's see who jumped on top of it at the 20-yard line, and the Jags have it.
Great pass rush there by Trayvon Walker against Dennis Daly, the left tackle.
3rd and 2 from the 12. 3 right, 1 left, shotgun for Trevor. Scrambling to his right, fires. That ball's caught by Evan Engram to the 5. Into the end zone, touchdown. That's a touchdown for Jacksonville.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Quarter's over, right? On that one, when you went short.
And man, that's an excellent job of the offense responding with great field position, putting it in the end zone to tie this game up.
2nd down and 10 from the 25-yard line. Inside handoff to Derrick Henry. Breaks out of there, 30, 35, 40. This is what he can do. Midfield into Jaguars territory along the right sideline. Boy, we've seen that a time or two, all the way down to the 25-yard line of Jacksonville. Looks, fires to the middle of the field. That is caught by the tight end and into the end zone for the touchdown. Chig Okonkwo catches it and scores, and Tennessee has retaken the lead.
Well, and the big play on that drive was the 50-yard run by Derrick Henry. That gives him 10 carries for 84 yards in this ball game. I mean, this guy is an absolute beast. He needed 125 yards coming in this game to reach 8,000 for his career. This year, more than likely will pass Earl Campbell on the all-time rushing list with this franchise.
Listen, he's a hash number sideline guy. You have to keep it packed in. You gotta know the safeties are coming inside out. Keep him inside. And we win this game. Keep him inside. Come on, let's go.
Well, now you got the defense out there. And this defense, outside, they got the turnover by Trayvon Walker sack, but other than that, really, they have not slowed down Derrick Henry. And if you don't slow down Derrick Henry, it opens up everything else the Titans want to do.
Dropping out of a shotgun, they throw it quickly. Picked off by Dewey. Running it back to the 45-yard line. Intercepted by Andrew Wingard. And boy, is that a big play.
Good shot, boy. Good shot. Keep balling, boy. Let's go, do it. Let's go, do it.
I think Tannehill was expecting his wide receiver, Nick Westbrook-Akine, to have a hot adjustment and sit down, turn around, sit down, but he doesn't. He keeps running straight ahead. And when that ball was thrown for that little hot route, Wingard just does a great job of reading the quarterback.
Let's keep this distance. Yes, sir. Let's not let go. go back and forth, back and forth. Let's steal this possession, bro. Let's go.
You got mine right. They're going to run this.
Win first down. Win this first down right here, baby. Hey, D-block on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Guys, we can talk about the defensive struggles. The one thing that they've done is done a great job of coming up with turnovers. Part of what Doug Peterson wanted to do, if he could stop the run, he wanted to be able to sit back, keep the ball in front, and allow people to turn the ball over. We'll see if they can get a stop so they make a throw against the zone again.
Now he fires it. Oh, that's Derrick Henry wide open in the right flat. The ball came out. The ball came out at the end of the run on the far sideline, and Jacksonville has it. Derrick Henry fumbles, and the Jags recover it just outside of the 20-yard line. Whoa!
Come on, man!
What a hit by Shaq Quarterman. The third linebacker on the field. Derrick Henry is trying to get extra yardage over there on the Jaguars sideline, and Quarterman just flat out tattoos him.
You got a chance here now. You've taken advantage of the first two. That ball's going to be caught. That's going to be a first down. Near the 45-yard line. Christian Kirk in the middle of the field. That'll be a first down. 15 seconds left in the half. Hasty the running back, not ETN. 2 receivers left, 2 to the right. Shotgun. Trevor drops. Pump fake. Fires toward the goal line. That ball is going to be no signal. Now they call it an incomplete pass.
That's a touchdown, man.
Zay Jones caught it, but they say he's out of bounds. Did he not get a foot down?
I'll review that.
Replay.
1, 2, he got him in. That's a touchdown.
They're going to have to check that. There's no challenge system here.
That's a touchdown.
It's under 2 minutes. The challenge is in the booth.
That's in, bro. You're the slimmer! You're the slimmer!
Oh, come on, man. That's a touchdown.
After review, when the receiver got possession of the ball, he did get both feet in bounds. It is a touchdown. Please set the game clock to 11 seconds. 11 seconds.
Him Jones. The boy really like that on everything.
So it is a touchdown pass of 20 yards from Trevor Lawrence to Zay Jones, and the Jags take the lead. What a play by Zay to hold on to the ball. What a second quarter it was for Jacksonville. Trevor Lawrence continues to be absolutely fantastic.
We had a lot of questions about how would he be. He didn't practice on Wednesday, didn't practice on Thursday. And he's come out here in this ball game, and he's been extremely accurate. 16 of 23 for 197 yards and 2 touchdowns.
So here we go from the 28-yard line. The Jags go left to right. Dropping is Trevor. Looking, fires middle of the field. That ball is going to be caught by Evan Engram. Do they call it a catch? Yes, they do. A catch into Titans territory at the 41-yard line. This is a 3rd and 7. The Jags are 4 out of 8 on 3rd down. Trevor steps up, steps away from trouble, scrambles. Now he fires along the left sideline. That ball is going to be caught by Jamal Agnew. What a play by Trevor Lawrence. Scramble to the left. He hit Agnew. Agnew is tackled around the 7-yard line of the Tennessee Titans. 2nd and goal. They're in a shotgun, so it won't be a sneak. A shotgun formation here. Trevor keeps it on his own read, tries to get to the corner, dives for the end zone, touchdown! A 1-yard touchdown run.
Hey, I didn't think you could see me over his tongue.
You're feeling
Boy, we're watching a quarterback
Straight arm.
display great arm, great athleticism, great decision making.
How about toughness, too?
I mean, this guy is taking it to another level.
Here's the situation, 5:16 to play in the 3rd. The Jaguars have outscored the Tennessee Titans 20-0 after trailing 14-7 in this game. And now they take over at their own 37-yard line. Play fake. Trevor looks. They throw a screen in the middle of the field. It's Evan Engram. All kind of running to 45-50 into Titans territory inside the 45-yard line. The Jags are making it look easy right now. It's a blitz. I mean, it is an all-out blitz. Trevor fires left side. That ball is going to be caught for the touchdown by Evan Engram in the left corner of the end zone. Are you kidding me?
What a throw. He's going there the whole time. They're trying to set up Adams on the double move. Adams doesn't bite. He's in great coverage. Trevor still says, I'm going to go trust my tight end who's hot today.
Mike Vrabel said earlier this week his team was at a crossroads. This is not looking good right now for Tennessee. Can they capitalize on a little bit of momentum now on the offensive side of the ball? And a botch snap. So much for my question. Jaguars saying they have it, and they do!
What a job by the Jaguars defense. The Jags are swarming the play. They're booing here at Nissan Stadium.
Job by the defense today, bouncing back. Last week was a tough outing in Detroit, and they get 4 takeaways. That's a great job. You weren't perfect, but the 4 takeaways covered up for a lot of shortcomings performance-wise.
We'll take a knee and get out of here. The clock continues to turn. This place is empty.
It ain't empty because I see a bunch of teal colors over in the stands.
Trevor's going to take a knee. He takes a knee, and that will do it.
Right there at the end, that scuffle
was Trevor.
He was in the middle of it, and I think he was letting these Tennessee Titans know, boys, I'm here, okay, and this is going to be my division in the future.
After last week, as a team, we were pissed off when we had to come out and answer a division opponent, team we haven't beaten in a long time. We wanted to get this one back.
It's our house now. That's all I gotta say. Been disrespectful too long. It's time to go. Let's go. Duval. Duval. Zone 4. Shout out to y'all, man. We coming back home with this.
It was always the Jags, baby.
Let's go!
Great job, baby.
Great job. I told you, we talked about it all week. Offense, defense, special teams. This is going to be a 4-quarter football game, okay? And it went to 4 quarters, right? And they always will. They might knock us down, but we're getting right back up off the mat. And we got, listen, learn from this because we've got to do the same thing this week in practice. The emotion, the sense of urgency, how we start, all that, but at our place.
I love each and every one of y'all in this room. Proud of what we did today, man. Let's stack another one this week. Family on 3. 1, 2, 3.